everybody. Today was Teronie's private at the Kizomba, Canada studios at our happy Repost location.
Doing me, there's nothing you can do. I'm living life according to my rules. I can see now I'm free. Now it's only about me. The time has come. Now I get to live my dreams. Yes, you will. J'aime penser c'est comme ça d'ailleurs.